Well, guys, another project just showed up. Like I need any more. But this one's a little different. This is Grandpa's old tractor. And years ago, he sold it to a guy. And then after he passed on, the old man who owned it passed on. But he was nice enough to put it in his will that this thing go back to one of my cousins, because he said it needed to go back to the family. So my cousin was nice enough to bring it over just now and deliver it. And so here in a little bit, I'm gonna cover it up because we have a family dinner in about a half hour. But maybe in the near future, we'll do some work on this. Thanks for watching, guys.